Hello students, hope you all are good. Today we will learn algebraic operations on simplifications. So let's start. First of all, we have to learn algebraic formulae that we learned at our school standard, and I just divide it into two parts like formulae on squares and formulae on cubes. Okay, so what are the formulae on square? So let's start. I'm writing here on squares. Okay, so what are the formulae? Start from very beginning. So the basic formula on square is a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab and b square. Okay, and the next formula is a minus b whole square. See, in a plus b whole square, the terms are a square, 2ab and b square. These are the three terms. Okay, okay. And what are the symbols? Plus and plus. But for the formula a minus b whole square, there will be a slightly change. So identify the change. This is a square minus 2ab and plus b square. Okay. So the main difference is in a plus b whole square, there are two plus symbol, and in a minus b whole square, there is one minus symbol. Okay, and see, from these two formulae, we can derive formula for a square plus b square. How? Consider this one first. Okay, if we write the right hand side as the left hand side, we can find a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to a plus b whole square. Okay, and just bring this 2ab on the right hand side, and what be the change? That is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. We know that if we bring any term from left hand to right hand and right hand to left hand, there will be a change in symbol. So that is why it was plus symbol on left hand side, and when we bring it on the right hand side, the symbol would be changed and turn into minus sign. So this be formula for a plus b whole square. And again, from the second formula, we can also write a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is equal to a minus b whole square. Okay, and again throw this minus 2ab on the right hand side. That is why you can get a minus b whole square plus 2ab, and on the left hand side you can just get a square plus b square. So see, we can write we can write either of a plus b whole square minus 2ab or a minus b whole square plus 2ab in place of a square plus b square. So just write here there be two expressions like a plus b whole square minus 2ab, and also we can write a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Clear? So so this is formula, these are formula for a square plus these are formula for a square plus b square. Okay. Next, the fourth formula. The fourth formula be a plus b whole square plus of a minus b whole square, and that will be equal to 2 into a square plus b square. Why? See, just a minute, I am using managing pen. Okay. See, when we add this expression and this expression, okay, just see, we have to add this expression and this expression, and just plus 2ab and minus 2ab will be cancelled out, so that we will have 2a square and 2b square. Clear? And that is why the formula is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equal to 2 into a square plus b square. That's all. Clear? So these are four formulae I just have wrote, and next there are few more formulae for square. Okay. Next, number 5. See, a plus b whole square minus of a minus b whole square equal to what? 4ab. Okay. How? I'm going to explain it, but but you people have to memorize every formula. Otherwise, at the exam of at the time of exam, you can find anything and you can solve simplifications within seconds. Okay. So see, uh, the expressions for a plus b whole square. What be the expression for? Okay. The expression for a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab and b square. Okay. And the expression for a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab and plus b square. And there is a minus symbol outside the bracket of a minus b whole square, and that is why if we break this bracket, if we open this bracket, every symbol inside the bracket will be changed, and that is why we will have a square plus 2ab minus b square. Here, and see a square and minus a square be cancelled out, minus b square and plus b square be cancelled out, so you will have just 2ab plus 2ab. Okay, so that is 4ab. So this is the formula for 4ab. Clear? Understood? Just try to understand and just recall it and just write on paper using pen so that you can achieve it what I have written. Clear? Next, go for the next expression, that is 6. See, from the formula 5 we can find the expression for a plus b whole square in terms of a minus b whole square as this one. You can see if we bring the a minus b whole square from the formula 5 on the right hand side, you can get just symbol be changed. That is why outside of the symbol of a minus b whole square, which was minus, it will be changed into plus, and that is why on the right hand side you can get a minus b whole square plus 4ab. So this be another formula. This be another formula. But look, just a while, just a while. For the expression of a minus b whole square, you can get a square minus 2ab and b square, and there be another 4ab. Okay, so minus 2ab and plus 4ab, making subtraction from greater to smaller, we can have plus 2ab and a square and b square, and this give us a plus b whole square, and that is why I have written a plus b whole square equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. Okay, this be another expression. Whenever you are given the value of a minus b and product of ab, and you have to find a plus b whole square or a plus b, then you can use this formula. Whenever you are just learning formula or formulae, don't think what will be the point of application of this formula, of what be the objective to learn this formula. Just try to achieve the formula, and when I will show the example, I will find suitable example to show you the proper use of this formula. Okay, next, a minus b whole square, that is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Similar explanation, so no need to write here again. Okay, next, number 8. This is formula for factorization, that is a square minus b square. Why? As 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 we have just expressed the term a square minus b square in terms of product of two terms, two expressions, namely a plus b and a minus b. Clear? And that is why this is factorization, and as a square minus b square is expressed as the product of two terms, namely a plus b and a minus b, so these are factors. So these are factors, and that is why this formula is called formula for factorization. Okay, next, using three variables, formula of square, that is a plus b plus c whole square. See, whenever there are two variables, what was the formula? The formula is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. That means square of the individual variable, that is a square b square, and product of two variable, and that is twice of product of two variables. So we will have here individual square of three variables, that is a square, b square and c square, and then twice of product of two variable taking at a time, that is 2ab, 2bc and 2ca. So this is the formula, and again from this expression we can find, to make it clear, as a square plus b square plus c square, so that at exam we need smaller time to find value of any expression. Clear? Clear? So this be another expression for a square plus b square plus c square. You people have to learn it and memorize it. So these all are the formula. These all are the formulae for squares. Okay, so there will be another set of formulae based on the cube, and I am just now giving examples on squares, and that is why I will talk later. Okay, so let's start. Example number one. Suppose this is number one example. So we'll solve it first and then we'll go for another example. Clear? See, the given expression is in the form of a square plus b square. This is a square plus b square. Why? A whole square 1 by a whole square. So compare with the formula a square plus b square, and just see what was the formula for a square plus b square. The formula was either a plus b whole square minus 2ab or a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Okay, so we will use the expression for a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Why? As the value of plus the value of the expression using plus be given. Okay, so using the formula we can find a square plus b square as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So this is the formula, and using this expression we can just write a square plus 1 by square, that is a plus 1 by a whole square minus 2 into a into 1 by a. Now see, we are given a plus 1 by a. We are given this, so we can just put the value of this one, that is 2 square minus 2. Why 2? This would be cancelled out, and that is why 2 into 1, that is 2. So 4 minus 2, that is 2 answer. Okay, clear? Now this be a particular case. This be a particular case. What if any number and its reciprocal, that is sum of any number and its reciprocal equal to 2, then you can directly write the value of that number equal to 1. This is not a miracle, this is not a magic. You can make LCM, and you can solve the value of a, and that will be 1. But right now our main object is to remember this expression, as at the exam if you are going to solve everything, you can just make fewer attempt out of the whole exam. Okay, So you people should learn and you people should memorize some uh, predefined expressions, value of some predefined expressions or particular case that will help you to minimize the time to make calculations. Okay, so though though formula be given for or formula be given at exam or the pattern of the formula be given, but still I can use at the exam that as it is a plus 1 by equal to, so the value of a equal to 1. So now 1 square plus 1 by 1 square, that is also 1, that is 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So this is the answer. No need to elaborate using the formula a square plus b square. Clear? So these are particular case, and you people have to learn this particular case to minimize your calculations. And side by side you have to learn the basic formula, you have to practice the basic formula, you have to increase your practice, and you have to also increase calculations just in a few seconds. You have to solve any calculations just few seconds. That means within 5 seconds, within 3 seconds, within 10 seconds, and try to do in your mind. Okay, otherwise you can't save time, otherwise you can't save uh, paper, rough sheet, etc. So this is a particular case. Now we can go for next one. See, this be another example, and we can solve this example using the algebraic formula on square. How? The given expression is in the given expression there are mainly two parts. One is numerator, which is of the line, and another is denominator, which is under the line. And in the numerator there are also two parts, 4.9 into 4.9 and 3.9 into 3.9. Okay, so so most of the student just trying to do multiplication of 4.9 by 4.9 and multiplication of 3.9 by 3.9. That means 4.9 square and 3.9 square. Though we have to learn, we have to memorize squares of some number, but right now it is not suitable to using the value to using values of square of 49 and 39 here. Why? It will be more pathetic to use uh, right here. Why? See, the expression above the line is in the form of a square and minus b square. Why a square? As 4.9 into 4.9, that is a into a, gives you a square. Okay. Uh, just trying to write here as it is above the table. Okay. And again 3.9 into 3.9, that is b into b, which is b square. So this is in the form of a square minus b square, and under the line this is b plus a. As addition is commutative, so it is not any problem, it is not a big deal that we are given just reverse order. Okay, just see the numerator can be expressed in terms of a plus b and a minus b. Okay, and the denominator is in the form of a plus b. These two be cancelled out, and after that the answer is a minus b. And what is a? 4.9, and what is b? 3.9. So subtract it, 1 is the answer. Clear? See, most of the student just trying to uh, compare with the expression like a square minus b square and 4.9 into 4.9, how to do it, how to solve it, and they are more anxiously waiting to see the elaborate form, and that is why I'm going to express it in elaborately. But no need to you people, no need to smart people to write elaborately in your rough sheet. Okay, just see it. 4.9 square minus 3.9 square. Most of the student like this way, but this is too pathetic way. It will kill your time, also it will kill your patience. But still more of you want this way to understand, and that is why I'm doing so. See, these two expressions would be cancelled out, so the answer is 4.9 minus 3.9. Clear? But it is not necessary to expand the whole expression like this. just just try to use variable to to understand, to identify the expressions, and then that I just used, see I just used that a square minus b square, and yeah, at the denominator b plus a, that is a plus b, would be cancelled out, so a minus b the answer. And now put here the value of a and b. No need to put at the whole expressions in the every step, that a 4.9 square, that is 4.9 plus 3.9, that is 4.9 minus 3.9. No need to write everywhere the numerical values that are given here. Just use variable instead of them. You just see that 4.9 4.9, that is a into a, that is a square. 3.9 into 3.9, that is b into b, that is b square. So right directly na, that a square minus b square, and a denominator a plus b, and using the formula you can get the a minus b the final answer. So right here at the final stage, that the value of a is 4.9 and the value of b is 3.9. You make calculations at the final stage to minimize your calculations. So this is the final answer, 1. Okay, so so let's make summarize again what we have learned today, and I'm going to off the class of today's class, and I will make more example for you people on the next class, and just right now make summarize what we have learned. Number one, a plus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus 2b plus b square, and then a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2b plus b square. And just try to remember what are the differences between these two formulae, to identify, to remember the formulae. Okay, so the minus symbol before 2ab, and other terms remain same. Next, using these two formulae, we can solve the value of a square plus b square, that is any of a plus b whole square minus 2ab, or a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Okay. And I just elaborated the expressions to find a square plus b square from the two formulae 1 and 2 on the right hand side, you can see here. Okay, next, I have to use different color to make you highlight. Number 4. A square plus b a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equal to 2 into a square plus b square. Okay, this be another expressions. Whenever you see these expressions, you can write generally that is 2 into a square plus b square. Next, a plus b whole square minus of a minus b whole square, that is there is minus symbol between these two expressions, and that will give you 4ab, that will give you 4ab. Okay, next, a plus b whole square can be expressed in terms of a minus b whole square, that is equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab, and also a minus b whole square written as can be written as a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Next, a square minus b square, which is factorization formula, that is a plus b into a minus b. And next, a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square, and 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, and which is also can be written in terms of the term like a square b square c square equal to a plus b plus c whole square minus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca, ab plus bc plus ca. This is wrong. This is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. AB plus BC plus CA, only CA, no 2CA. As I I have taken 2 as a common, and I kept that 2 outside of the bracket. So inside of every expression there will be no the number 2, that is AB plus BC plus CA. Okay, next, next, what we learned here as a plus 1 by equal to 2, so a square plus 1 by a square, how to find using the a plus a square plus b square formula. And also also if any number, if sum of any number and its reciprocal equal to 2 given, so we can directly claim that a equal to 1. Next, this be another expressions that a square minus b square at numerator and at denominator b plus a, so directly you can make cancellations and find the answer. Okay, so we can have another example. After that I will end the session. Just see example 3. 7.5 plus 2.9 whole square plus 7.5 minus 2.9 whole square by 7.5 into 7.5 plus 2.9 into 2.9. Now see, at numerator there is a plus b whole square plus of a minus b whole square, and directly we can write the formula as it is a ready-made formula, 2 into a square plus b square. Just see here, uh, no need to find here and there, just see. 7.5 is a and 2.9 is b, so a plus b whole square and plus again a minus b whole square. Okay, and what is at denominator? At denominator, see, 7.5 multiplied twice, so it is a square, and same for it is b square. So you can write here a square plus b square. See, these two be cancelled out, so the answer is 2. So nothing to do, just you can directly write the answer is 2. Okay, just see on the right hand side that I have written, compare the expressions with the algebraic expression, and after making cancellations 2 is the final answer. No need to think more and more and more. Okay, I am going to give similar examples, like similar example I am going to just using the same numerals, using same numerals. Okay, actually I am just giving example using using the algebraic formula on squares. That is ready-made formula. Using the ready-made formula, no need to find more expressions. No need to use more expressions, more formula to make you people remember the formula that I wrote at earlier. Okay. See, I have to use another ink. Okay. See, at numerator, the expressions is a plus b whole square and also a minus b whole square, and at the denominator this is a into b. Why a into b? A is 7.5 and b is 2.9, so this is a plus b and whole square, and this is a minus b whole square, and this is a into b. Simple thing, just try to learn, try to identify and see what be the formula for a minus a, sorry, a plus b whole square minus of a minus b whole square. That is 4ab. So write directly 4ab, and at the denominator the term is ab. So after making cancellation the answer is 4. So also there is no need to make calculations for this example. Directly you can use the algebraic formula to find the value of this problem. So 4 is the answer. Clear? So I'm going to close this session. So thank you everyone for watching, and keep watching and keep learning. Thank you all.